The Maruti Suzuki Baleno is back with a refreshed look, updated features, and improved technology. But is the new Baleno facelift worth your attention? In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from the exterior, design and interior upgrades to the engine, features, expected price, and whether it's the right premium hatchback for you. Exterior design. The new Baleno facelift gets a sharper and more premium appearance. The front grille has been redesigned, complemented by sleeker LED headlamps and updated daytime running lights. The refreshed bumpers, stylish alloy wheels, and revised LED tail lamps give the hatchback a more modern and sporty road presence. Interior and features. Inside the cabin, Maruti Suzuki has focused on comfort and technology. The dashboard features a premium finish with a larger, touchscreen infotainment system, supporting wireless, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Other highlights include a 360-degree camera, automatic climate control, push-button start, cruise control, connected car technology, and a premium sound system, making every drive more enjoyable. Engine and performance. The Baleno facelift is expected to continue with the reliable, on-point 2-liter petrol engine, offering a smooth balance of performance and fuel efficiency. Buyers can choose between a 5-speed manual transmission and an AMT automatic gearbox. The engine is tuned for city driving while remaining comfortable on highways, delivering an impressive mileage that makes it an economical daily driver. Safety. Safety has also received attention with features like 6 airbags on higher variants, Electronic Stability Program (ESP), Hill Hold Assist, ABS with EBD, rear parking camera, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and a stronger body structure designed to improve passenger protection. Expected price and launch. The updated Baleno is expected to be priced competitively, starting around R7 lakh and going up to approximately 11 lakh ex-showroom, depending on the variant and features. Maruti Suzuki is likely to position it as one of the best value premium hatchbacks in its segment. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a stylish, fuel-efficient, feature-rich, and reliable hatchback, the new Maruti Suzuki Baleno facelift is definitely worth considering. It combines modern technology, premium comfort, and Maruti's trusted after-sales service, making it an excellent choice for families and daily commuters alike. So, what do you think about the new Maruti Suzuki Baleno facelift? Do you like the updated design and features? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you'd like, I can also make it more engaging with a stronger hook, cinematic narration, and retention-focused pacing for YouTube.